Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Cheesecake Factory, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather your financial documents. This includes your income statements, bills, and any additional expenses. Next, set a clear budget goal for your dining experience. Identify how much you can afford to spend at Cheesecake Factory. Visit the Cheesecake Factory website to explore the menu. Note the prices of different dishes and drinks. Select a few items that catch your eye. Consider ordering smaller portions or sharing plates to save money. Plan your visit for off-peak hours to take advantage of potential specials. Use the Cheesecake Factory app for discounts or offers. Decide if you want to dine in or order takeout, as this can affect your overall budget. If dining in, factor in the tip when calculating your total cost. Review your budget once more before placing your order. Stick to your initial plan to avoid impulse purchases. After your meal, evaluate how well you stuck to your budget. Reflect on what worked and what didn't for future dining experiences. Adjust your budget strategy as needed for your next visit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.